What if a simple sketch could instantly become a realistic scene, or a normal photo could be changed exactly the way you imagine with just a few words? This is the power of Dreamina Seedream 5.0, a smart AI image model available on Dreamina. It can understand prompts, edit images precisely, and even use real-time internet information to create better visuals. Whether you're creating designs, testing ideas, or editing images, it helps turn imagination into high-quality visuals in seconds. To get started, visit dreamina.capcut.com. You'll find the link in the description. Once the website opens, click Create to begin. In this workspace, you can generate both images and videos. For now, switch to AI images, open the model menu, and select Seedream 5.0 Lite. Now you're ready to create high-resolution images. Seedream 5.0 Lite mainly focuses on three powerful capabilities. The first feature is the ability to use real-time internet information while generating images. For example, I will give the AI this prompt: create a modern fitness tracking mobile app dashboard showing daily step count, calorie progress bars, workout badges, and a friendly animated trainer character. After clicking Generate, the AI produces a detailed app interface. The layout looks realistic because the model can reference design patterns from online sources. This allows the AI to combine creative generation with real-world information, making it useful for UI concepts, product designs, and visual prototypes. The second feature is detailed image editing, where you can change only certain elements. For example, I upload an image of a sports car parked on an empty road. Then I give this prompt: add heavy rain falling across the scene and wet reflections on the road surface, while keeping the car unchanged. After clicking Generate, the AI adds rain and reflections while keeping the car exactly the same. But it doesn't stop there. If you want, you can change anything in the image. For example, if I upload the same image and enter the prompt, change the color of the car in the image to vibrant blue while keeping the reflection. So I want to change the car color to blue, I will enter the prompt and hit the Generate button. It will start processing, and after a while you can see the result appears and the car color has now turned blue. So it's very impressive and useful to try out. Let's try another example. I uploaded an image showing a cat and a rabbit sitting on a wooden bench. Now I change the scene with this prompt: make the rabbit hold a small umbrella while the cat looks surprised at the rain. The AI edits the scene exactly as described, changing only the character's actions. You can also combine two images. For example, I upload a portrait photo and another image showing a unique hairstyle. Prompt: transfer the hairstyle from the second image onto the person in the first image while keeping the face and expression the same. The AI applies the hairstyle naturally while preserving the original identity. This shows how Seedance allows very precise and controlled edits. The third capability is AI reasoning and image understanding. For a more powerful example, I uploaded an image of a broken, abandoned building. Prompt: transform this ruined structure into a fully restored modern luxury house with glass walls, warm lighting, and a landscaped garden. After clicking Generate, the AI completely reimagines the scene. It understands the structure, rebuilds it into a modern design, and adds realistic architectural details. For the second example, I upload a simple house blueprint drawing. Prompt: create a realistic modern house exterior based on this blueprint layout. The AI converts the drawing into a realistic architectural visualization. Seedance 5.0 Lite makes image creation and editing simple and powerful. You can generate visuals from ideas, modify images with precise control, and analyze pictures to produce logical results. From creative concepts to professional designs, it helps transform ideas into visuals quickly. If you want to try it yourself, comment Dreamina and I'll DM you all the details.